This is where I'm doing my spot of work. I mean, it's not bad for a Monday morning, is it? You can see the Arenal volcano there. It's funny because as the weather changes, you can see more, see less. Apparently when it rains, that's when you get the best views, and it did last night, so we got a good view last night. But it's not bad, is it? I've heard a rumour of a possible sighting of a... Oh my god, there it is. Of a honey badger. I didn't even know what one was and I had to Google it. Oh my god, look, 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 look. Can you see? Oh my god, I've never even seen one before. I've never actually even heard of one. Oh my god. I don't actually even know if they're dangerous. Oh my god. First task of the day, breakfast. And I've just had a quick look, a quick scout out, and it looks absolutely incredible here. It's like a little buffet, so we've got plantain, rice, eggs. I'm going to put a bit of salsa in there as well, just to be Costa Rican.
Sí, son 2 días.
Just made it to the waterfall, put my swimsuit on, and I'm going to go and check it out. Apparently it's beautiful. Going to this viewpoint here, where there's lots of ladies posing, getting their selfies. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh. The waterfall. Oh my god, you're joking?
No.
Should I do my laces up?
No.
Let's see what happens.
You're as bad as can, her laces are always undone.
Extreme stairsing. This is what I imagine Costa Rica would be like. Like all the green, the lush, bridges, crazy tourists. Still haven't seen the toucan, which is like what I associate with Costa Rica. Oh, last night in the road we saw a snake, which could have been a killer snake, or could have not, but this morning it was squashed, sadly. Apparently people with their own cars don't look out for the animals, they don't know where they are. Found that in the New Forest last week. And I saw like the green frog as well, which was cool, because that's totally Costa Rica. But yeah, hopefully see some more animals today. So apparently you can see the toucan in here. Right, gonna keep an eye out now. Look up high in the trees. I'm not entirely sure what a toucan sounds like, but I'm gonna try and get one off the tree. Made it to the Olympus waterfall. Cool, isn't it? This is the lens that vloggers go to get that perfect shot. You know it's going to be a good one. I'll put a link to it below. I found this little hole and I'm just really happy watching what's going on. Look, is that as wide as it goes? Yeah. Here. There's the waterfall. And then the boys are taking photos over there. And I'm just here, loving life. I'm a strong believer that anything the boys can do, girls can do too. So I'm going in. We've just arrived at the ziplining place, and we're not actually ziplining until we've done a hike. We've got to earn it. This is our tour bus. It's cool, isn't it? I like our driver.
Is that what we're doing? Skywalk? Yeah.
This beetle is real. I'm too scared to poke it though. Someone else just did and it moved. There you go. Rainforest is living up to its name. Foresty, rainy, everyone huddled with umbrellas. These are the monkeys that we saw in the trees earlier, jumping from branch to branch. Yes, we did. This is the toucan that I want to see in the tree, but unfortunately it's raining, so I'm stuck in a gift shop looking at fake animals.
The MP5 plants and the MP5 plants growing up in the trees looking for the sunlight. And also from here we can see the suspension bridges where you can do the natural history walk.
You can sound like.
The Kill Bill toucan is like a ta-da-ta-da, ta-da-ta-da, something like that, and the Kill Bill is like a.
What fruit's that?
We call those fruit cucarachos.
Cucarachos?
Yeah.
You can eat them? Or?
No, it's not edible.
You hungry, Paul?
Yeah.
Grab a few bits as we go.
I'm gonna watch what the monkey eats and eat the same.
What you see right there is I'm gonna build my house. I'm gonna make a big patties right there.
We've made it to the top and you can see the incredible lake out here. It's the second biggest lake in Central America. First biggest is Lake Atitlan, which I've been to.
Some recommendations.
Actually, we come back, so we went from China to. But then after 18 months, we were ready to come back. I was tired and trying to find accommodation.
So far in the rainforest, I've learned that orchids mean testicles, and our guide said that they're the same beautiful thing, which is pretty funny. I'm glad that I bought my boots. Make me feel like a bit of a warrior. Everyone else is in trainers. Might have gone a bit over the top. I've also learned that in this part of the world, the roots don't go into the ground like they do in England. They go on the top because that's the best place where they can get all the nutrients from the soil. And so it means that the trees aren't very well ingrained in the ground, which means that they can fall over quickly, easily.
Oh, this is bloody lovely.
Something tells me that we're not going to be ziplining. Gracias. What do I do?
I'm sorry, bungalow. So there's one particular beach now that's got probably, I don't know, they're all low-rise.
Yeah, exactly.
I'd say 5 places to stay, and all we did for like a week